Hello everyone. Today we will see how to resolve the no sound or missing issue of Realtek sound driver or audio drivers. The best way to fix missing sound driver issue is to install the driver from the brand specific support page. To do that, open System Information and search for the model number. As an example, I am showing the H310M board, and this is the Gigabyte official support page for H310M. All updated drivers can be found here, and this is the best way to resolve sound issues, to download and install the driver from here or brand specific support page. Let's see another way to fix sound driver issues by installing universal audio driver. Just download this file from video description. After opening, you will see 3 files for 3 different versions. The R2.83 driver will work for any legacy hardware and chipset, especially if it is a 32-bit device. Just you need to execute the setup file. And this driver is especially good for modern operating system such as Windows 10 or 11, but it must be installed on a 64-bit devices. I am installing this version as a 64-bit user. Just simply need to click setup. You can also extract the files before installing it. Setup is now preparing all necessary files. Now press next. Next. Now this program is installing all necessary driver based on your chipset and hardware. Wait a little bit. Sometimes a restart may be required and then the setup may start again. So wait until the setup is complete. Now it is telling you to restart. I would also recommend you to restart. Now you need to install the audio console. After extracting, you need to set up it. It is basically an audio controller designed for the modern system. You must extract it to install it. It should be noted that not all modern drivers have audio consoles included. So install the console if it is not already installed, otherwise it is not necessary to install this. Sometimes not all features may not be available if you do not restart your computer. Hopefully your sound problem will be resolved with this driver. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.